Yes, good evening students. लास्ट टाइम जो हमने वीडियो लेक्चर बनाया था वो था आपका एसआर फ्लिप फ्लॉप के लिए. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप. जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप. सो व्हाई वी मेक दिस फ्लिप फ्लॉप? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको जो एसआर फ्लिप फ्लॉप की है वो वर्किंग समझ में आनी चाहिए. तो अगर जिसको भी याद है उस वर्किंग में क्या था कि आपके पास जो लास्ट रो बनती है इट विल गिव यू द इनडिटर्मिनेट स्टेट. मीन्स यू कैन नॉट डिफाइन द स्टेट ऑफ द फ्लिप फ्लॉप. इट इज इन जीरो स्टेट एंड इट इज इन वन स्टेट. ठीक है, तो दिस प्रॉब्लम इज rectified by the JK flip flop, and today we can see how this problem be rectified by the JK flip flop. So you can note down the uncertainty in the uncertainty in the state of SR flip flop when S and R is equals to 1 can be eliminated by converting into a JK flip flop. ठीक है, एंड देन कैसे हम इसको JK में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? यस, द डाटा इनपुट are J and K which are ANDed, means AND gate. ठीक है, ANDed with Q bar and Q respectively to obtain S and R inputs. ठीक है, तो हम जो J और K के जो इनपुट्स हैं उसको एंडेड करेंगे विद Q एंड Q बार. तो हेयर वी कैन सी कैसे हम इसको बनाएंगे. तो हेयर वी कैन सी, इससे पहले आप एक्सप्रेशन भी नोट कर सकते हैं हाउ दिस विल बी कन्वर्टेड. सो S इज इक्वल्स टू J dot means it is representing the AND gate. ठीक है, J dot Q bar and R is equals to K dot Q. So here we make the circuit diagram. So first of all we take the just SR flip flop. Okay, this representing the SR flip flop, and there are two inputs in SR. First is S and second is R, and there are two state, one is Q and second is Q bar. You already know about this SR कि कैसे हम इसको circuitry represent करते हैं. So this will represent the R. ठीक है, अब इसको हमें JK में कन्वर्ट करना है. मीन्स S इज इक्वल टू J डॉट Q बार. तो हमें एक AND गेट की यूज करना होगा जिससे हम J डॉट Q बार, दिस इज माई Q बार, तो दिस विल बी connected as input to this gate and second input is J. and output of this gate is used as S input for your SR. Similarly, this Q is connected with as second input to this gate, and first input is your K. And here we are using the preset and clear. And there is a clock which is always be present in your circuit. So this is how we convert your SR flip-flop to JK. So here we get the J Q bar, and here we get R is equals to what? K dot Q. So this is the main diagram you have to remember. Now how this this circuit is working. So here we study JK flip-flop using NAND गेट हम इसको स्टडी करते हैं कैसे ये सर्किट आपका वर्क करेगा. So first of all, you make the diagram, the circuit diagram, how this we initialize. So here we taking 4 AND gates, but we using NAND gate. तो here we are making, क्योंकि आपके जो सर्किट होता है, ये जो आपका SR सर्किट है, ये पूरा सर्किट हम यूजिंग NAND गेट ही पढ़ रहे हैं, तो हम इसको इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट इनपुट इज योर J, and here is also K, and there is a clock which is connected to both inputs. Correct? This is your clock. Here this output is goes to this gate, and this output is goes to this state, and the output of this gate is your representing your present state, and this is your complement of that state. So this is G1. अगर हम इसको नेम देते हैं, this is your G1 gate. This is G2 and G3 and G4. Here it is Qn. This is Qn plus 1. Sorry, not Qn plus 1, it is just Q bar, actually Qn bar. ठीक है, नाउ आपने यहाँ देखा होगा कि J को हमने एक और इनपुट दिया है, विच इज द स्टेट ऑफ द लैच यू आर यूजिंग. सो दिस Qn बार, अगर हम इसको पहले ऐसा सर्किट बनाए, तो ऐसा सर्किट इज लाइक दैट. Qn इज used as input to this circuit, and this Qn is used as input to this circuit. बट हमने J को क्या बनाया, अपने SR को हमने J के फ्लिप फ्लॉप बनाया. फॉर J के, फॉर दिस सर्किट you are using input of this, and for this circuit you are using input of this. So this is a circuit diagram of JK flip-flop. Here we understand how this SR circuit is made as a JK flip-flop. कैसे आपको इसमें इनपुट और आउटपुट कनेक्ट करने हैं. Now we are going to study about the JK flip-flop working. So we make the table first. Here we represent input J and K, and here we represent the next state. Actually we are always be interested into the next state because present state is always be the initial state of the circuit. So this is J input K, and here this is Qn plus 1. Now in the first input, when both inputs are in the zero state, so first condition, when J is equals to 0, comma K is equals to 0, and your clock is always be 1 every time, it is always be on condition, so it will be taken as 1. So when J and K is equals to 0, it means it is 0, here is 0. This gate is simply convert into a 1. Okay? 0 bar means it is 1. So we derive the expression for Qn plus 1, and where we get the Qn plus 1 at the output of the G3 gate. So Qn plus 1 is equals to what? It is simply G3 का आउटपुट लें तो G3 के इनपुट क्या है? फर्स्ट इनपुट इज 1 and second input you can see it is Qn bar. Is Qn bar, and it is passed through the NAND gate. This expression whole as 1 dot Qn का bar means bar, which is equals to what? It is simply a Qn. So here we don't get any output as 0 or 1, so we come to the complement part of this circuit. So here we derive the expression for Qn plus 1 bar, which is the G4 output. So here is Qn plus 1 bar, which is equals to what? It is simply one input is 1. G4 गेट से हम ड्राइव करेंगे Qn plus 1, तो one input is 1 dot, and second input you can see here it is Qn. So here it is Qn and it is passed through the NAND gate. So 1 dot Qn bar, which is equals to Qn bar. So here we can see that we don't get any state 0 and 1. So simply it can be written as for j is equals to 0 and k is equals to 0, it will give you what? Qn. Now second condition. In second condition, when j is equals to 0, comma k is equals to 1, then what will happen? J is equals to 0 and k is equal to 1. Simply this G2 gate is proper gate. So we drive the expression for Qn plus 1. So here we get 0, correct? And here we get 0 bar means 1. So here we derive the expression for Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 is equals to what? It is simply one input is 1 dot and second input is Qn bar. And it is passed through the NAND gate to whole bar, which will give you Qn. So here we can see that Qn plus is always be Qn, so we don't get any 0 and 1. So we goes to the complement part of that circuit, that is your Qn plus 1 bar equals to what? So Qn plus 1 bar, we get the Qn plus bar from the G4 circuit, G4 gate. So one input is 0 dot Qn and bar. So 0 multiplied anything you give as 0 and 0 complement is always be 1. So when Qn plus 1 bar is 1, then automatically this Qn plus 1 we take it as 0. So for the second condition, when j is equals to 0 and k is equals to 1, you get the state as 0, and this is your reset state actually. Now come to the third condition. When j is equals to 1, comma k is equals to 0. So दोनों ही opposite वर्क करेंगे, बट कैसे वो हमें देखना है. When j is equals to 1, so here we take the input as 1 and this is 0. So it is simply passed through the G1 circuit. Okay, or you can say that it will propagate this circuit. So and one input is your Qn. ठीक है, तो इसको आप क्या ले सकते हैं? It is simply 1 dot you simply write it as Qn plus 1 is equals to, which is the output of the G3 gate. तो यहाँ पर जब G1 से आपका आउटपुट मिलेगा, इट विल सिंपली 1 डॉट Qn. 1 dot qn का bar which will give you here qn bar. So one input in G3 is qn bar and second is not qn, it is simply qn. So first input is qn and second is your qn bar. For G3 gate, the output will be written like this: qn dot qn bar का whole bar. Which is simply is equals to anything. Suppose a dot a bar is equals to 0. So here qn and qn bar is equals to 0 and 0 bar is equals to 1. We get the present state or the next state is as 1. So we don't need to go for the complement port. So we can write it here as 1j is equals to 1 and k is equals to 0. It will give you qn plus 1 as 1. This is simply a set state. Now fourth condition, when both j and k are 1, then what will happen to the circuit? So this is all both gate having the input as 1. So for G1 it is 1 dot clock is always be 1 and for this output is qn bar, yani ki 1 dot qn bar is qn and for this 1 dot qn it is, here we got qn bar at the output of G2 because both gates are propagating now because inputs are 1. So it is simply give the qn bar. Now drive the expression for qn plus 1. So qn plus 1, what will be the qn plus 1 which is always be the output of G3. So first input for G3 is qn and second input is qn bar. And this will goes to the NAND gate. It will simply give you 0 bar which is equals to 1, which is equals to 1. But now because both gates are propagating G1 and G2, so let's check for the next complement part. So here we can check the qn plus 1 bar. Qn plus 1 bar means so qn plus 1 बार कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? G4 गेट से. तो G4 गेट का आउटपुट क्या होगा? It is simply qn plus 1 means one input is qn and second input is qn bar. So if we derive the expression for this, it is simply same, we got the 1. Okay, but here we got the this expression qn plus 1 bar. Here we derive this expression for first, so it simply give you 1 which is taken as input for G3 gate and for G3 it is simply written as 1 input. So here at the G3 gate, यहाँ पर लिखिए at G3 gate, what will happen? It is simply Q1 dot 1. At G3 gate it is Q1 dot 1 का bar, which is equals to Q1 bar. So यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, Qn plus 1 तो 1 है आपका और Qn plus 1 bar भी 1 है, but here we propagate the G4 gate first, we derive the expression for Qn plus 1 bar, here we got the 1 and this will be taken as input for G3 gate and this will give you Qn bar. Means when both states or both inputs of this gate is 1, it simply gives the state as Qn bar. That's all for the JK flip-flop.